Hello everyone!
I hope you all are well.
We're really excited to see you again.
This is Mrs. Mireia.
And this is Miss Howida from the Butterfly Preschool.
Today we have a fun experiment about floating and sinking.
But first we're going to learn what does float and mean sink. So what does sinking mean, Miss Howida?
Sinking means the object that we have when we put it in the water, it goes into the bottom of the water, right down. What does floating mean, Miss Mireia?
Floating means that the object stays on the surface of the water.
That's right. Okay, let's go for hunting around the nursery to find some objects, to test them if they are sinking or floating.
Are you ready? Let's go then.
Let's go then.
We're back from our hunting and we found lots of interesting objects.
Okay, and remember this experiment about sinking and floating. So we have one card, sinking card, and we have the other one is floating card. So we're gonna match the objects with the cards. Yeah. So let's start.
What did you find, Miss Howida?
Oh, I found a feather. Let's test the feather and see if the feather sink or float. Okay, ready? Oh, look.
Look at that.
What do you think? It's floating. Look at that.
Floating.
Well done.
So we're going to match it with the floating flashcard.
Good. Okay.
Well, I found a really nice object. I found a cool car. Shall we see if it floats or sinks? Let's see.
Oh,
look at that. Is it floating or sinking? Yes, you're right. It's sinking. So we're going to match it with the sinking flashcard.
Okay, we'll look at the next object and find out if it's sinking or floating. Okay, look at that. Oh, I have got here. It's a rock. And let's find out if it's sink or float. Oh, what do you think? Is it floating or sinking? Yeah, you're right. It's sinking. I'm gonna match it with the sinking card.
Good job.
Good job. Well done.
I'm going to get the next object. I found a block. Let's try and see if it sinks or floats. Look at that. It's floating. It is floating.
That's right.
It stays on the surface of the water. It floats. Let's match it with the floating flashcard.
Yeah, it's my turn now. Okay, I'll look. Find a very nice object here. What's that? It's a shell. Can we test the shell now? Okay, let's find out. What do you think? Floating or sinking? I think it's floating. Oh, that's right. Thank you. There we go. I'll match it with the floating card.
And then we have one last object. Spoon. What do you think? Is it going to sink or float? Let's see. It goes to the bottom of the bowl. It's sinking. You're right. The spoon sinks. Good job.
Well done. I hope you like our experiment.
Why don't you go around your house and try this experiment at home?
See you soon.
Bye.